Today we are making a pumpkin cream to go on top of cold brew. So I have a medium container, I'm gonna do a bowl for now, into which we're going to put 1 cup of heavy cream, a half cup of sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We're gonna whisk these together just until they're combined, and you'll feel that the consistency is the same. Next, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. We're gonna whisk this until it's smooth. Those spices are gonna wanna sit on top, so work those all in. And then that's all we do until you're ready to serve your pumpkin cream cold brew, which I'm going to do with you. I'm going to pour mine into a jar for later. So let's go ahead and make a pumpkin cream cold brew. Put some ice in a glass. Hopefully there's enough room. We'll see, might have to take an ice cube out. Get out your cold brew, homemade, boughten, and be sure to know if you have concentrate or not, because sometimes you will buy cold brew concentrate and you're supposed to add water, and if you don't, you're gonna be buzzing from that caffeine. But mine is just cold brew. Am I supposed to shake this? Let's look. Shake well. BRB. Our recipe that we're following, which is from Midwest Nice Blog, I will leave the link down below. So they're using 10 ounces in total. So she's saying 1 cup of cold brew concentrate. I'm scared that I'm gonna get my towel dirty. Yep, it's fine. And then we're told to use a NutriBullet or a blender and pulse the cream between 1/4 cup and 1/2 cup, depending on how much you like, for 10 seconds, 10 to 12 seconds, or until it's fluffy and thick. Well, you know what I'm gonna do. Get myself out another jar. We're gonna start with 1/4 cup of our cream. And I'm going to use my milk frother. Might take a little longer. And honestly, I think you could skip this step, because I personally, it looks pretty that it sits on top of your coffee, but I just end up mixing it in. And there you have it, a pumpkin cream cold brew made at home. Well, should we give it a try? I also have never had this cold brew, so that can definitely affect flavor. That's good. Yep, that's good. I think I might use a little more, so I only did 8 ounces of cold brew and 1/4 cup of pumpkin cream. Me personally, and with the cold brew that I ended up using, I would just add maybe 2 more tablespoons of the pumpkin cream. Again, I'll leave all the ingredients and the instructions and the link to the original recipe down below. If you think this would be delicious, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more content, and if you're looking for another autumnal pumpkin recipe, go ahead, click here on screen, and I will see you guys there.